the heck did you...
You parked a tractor in a tree.
Ethan parked my boss and a tractor in a tree. At speed, apparently.
Wait.
Let me do that.
I've got one hand.
Wow.
Right, there's a little... Here we go. Yo. Nope, all I know is you're making my bike work again.
No, what we're doing now is making your bike not work.
Well, you know, it's in the process of making it work again.
Can't. Do you see that one? See, what are you trying to do?
It's fitting here.
You see?
What that?
What's what?
Dat.
That's
Bung.
a plug. Oh, there we go. So we can...
Do we need a bucket for that?
Nope. Yes. Shouldn't be. Yeah, there should be a lower.
About there, or... Oh.
Yeah, try that.
How often are you meant to replace spark plugs?
When they stop working.
Okay. Because the guy at the shop's like, yeah, 20 hours.
Is it? I don't know what the hell's going on in there.
Does anyone remember this song from their childhood?
My dad used to listen to it all the time.
I fucking love it. So that's my cam chain.
Cam chain, yes.
No, that is the
And that is a silent chain because they run silently.
Beer?
Oh, do we have a talk, do we have a talk, mate? Are we going to do this properly?
You don't need a full drink.
No?
I've never needed a full drink. You're done with
Alright. Right, I got the chain. You got the chain?
Yeah, I got it. Off you go.
Makes me your man. What's that?
This cam chain tensioner.
Ah.
Remember, it came out this way. This way.
Okay.
Oh, it's full of oil.
This way.
Small bit at the bottom.
Holy cow.
Curly bit at the bottom. The close.
What happens if you drop the cam chain?
Like this.
Yeah.
You have to fish it out.
And that's a
not very nice. Put that somewhere unbelievably clean. We're going to strip it down anyway.
Look how short the stroke is.
I know, it's crazy.
Do you want to wipe that piston off before we take it out?
Rag.
Clean.
So what are you taking off now?
This is
This is the cylinder.
Uh-huh. So is this the thing that changes because the Vertex pistons have different millimeters, like 95 and 96?
What?
He
Did you bring
said...
the wrong size piston?
No.
The Vertex one. I think we've got stock RMZ. We're fine.
But he said like Vertex have different sized...
Oh, yeah.
No, because I don't have YouTube on this.
14. This is 9 tail, mate. Do you want to try this in this? Oh, now we can get an 8 tail through there.
Oh, yeah. How's it going, gents? I got Endurance shitty rmz250 right here. About to get new piston and rings. Here's the old one. It's actually fine, kind of. I mean, you could probably keep running it if you wanted to. And this is the new one. It's just stock Suzuki, nothing fancy. Only cost them $100. So now we're having a geese on the old interweb to find out where the ringing gaps go, line them all up properly. Then we're just gonna fucking reassemble it the way we took it apart. Easy peasy.
Yo.
Hit me up for cheap rebuilds. Can do it in like probably 60 hours.
Oh yeah, it's up here on the pencil.
I haven't been known to drop circlips into there.
What trap? No, kill that shit. I'm in a drop Cayenne, pushing 146. And if them corners don't bend, I'll even pavement rip. Dangerous. Hang with this. Use the very dead.